You have an issue with one of the buttons or the control sticks or the pad here on your Xbox Series S or X, I'm going to show you how to get you up and running before you have. This is the first thing you should try before you take anything apart or anything, okay? Because this is going to help 60% of you guys. If you have any problems with the buttons or the sticks or anything. So what I want you to do is spam everything, okay? So all the buttons here, first thing is go ahead and just keep clicking these buttons. A lot of times what happens is there's like dust, debris that can get stuck in there, maybe coffee, water, hand lotion. So keep spamming like crazy. And the same thing with this controller as well. Spam it all over. And these sticks here, go ahead and press up and move, circle it around, and then press down, up, down, up, down, up, down on both of them. Just go round, round, lift it up, get every button on here, even these two, okay? Just keep on spamming. Now go ahead and see if it's working. If it's still down, do the same thing, okay? Start spamming everything. Remember, get everything all nice and loose here. And then go ahead and try it. If you're still down, try it again. Try it 4, 5, 6, 7 more times, okay? And by the end of this video, at least 60% of you guys are going to be up and running. So if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down, all right? Good luck, guys. Bye.